Building a proposal workflow that saves time can completely transform the way you create and manage proposals, and today I'm going to show you how to build one in just a few minutes. First things first, you need to streamline your process from the beginning. Start by creating templates. You want a proposal template that you can reuse for every project. This will save you from having to start from scratch each time, reducing the time spent drafting and reformatting. Next, automate your proposal creation process. Instead of manually typing out client information or project details, use a software that lets you autofill sections based on preset data. This cuts down the time spent filling out repetitive details and ensures accuracy. Now, let's talk about collaboration. If you're working with a team, you need a workflow that allows for easy input from multiple people. This means using a tool where you can leave comments, track changes, and assign tasks. A great proposal workflow should allow for seamless communication among your team members without the need for endless email threads. Another key aspect is approval management. You don't want to be chasing down signatures or approvals. Use a tool that allows clients to approve proposals electronically. This will save you time waiting for feedback and avoid the back and forth that comes with traditional paper-based approvals. Now, I know there are a lot of popular tools out there for creating proposals, but I've tried many of them, and I'll tell you right now, this software we're using today is hands down the best for speeding up your workflow while maintaining a professional standard. If you want to follow along and test it yourself, check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below. This offer is only available for viewers of my channel. By this point, you should have your proposal template set up, an automated process for filling in client data, an easy way to collaborate, and a system for electronic approval. This simple workflow can shave hours off of each proposal you create, which means more time for other projects and tasks. The key takeaway here is that a streamlined proposal workflow isn't just about saving time. It's about reducing human error, improving communication, and increasing efficiency. Start with templates, automate where possible, collaborate easily, and simplify approvals. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I mentioned earlier. It's a great way to test out the software and see just how much time you can save with a better workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.